Hey guys, this is Zaku Boy and welcome to this video. I just thought I'd make this video as a quick way to recap our 4 horsemen of the Mechapocalypse build along so you don't have to watch the live stream to get an idea of what we're doing. So the build along series we have planned is our fortnightly live streams. So we plan on taking this CS Zaku 2 from start to finish, teaching you guys everything from basic seam line removal to LED work to scratch building parts, scribing. We want to do like painting, weathering, to dioramas, to the work start to finish. So every fortnight we will do a bit more work on this, show you guys how to do it. Then in a fortnight we'll do something different and just keep building till this kit's finished. So for the build along, the first thing we're going to need is the SD Cross Silhouette Zaku 2. Now you don't necessarily need this kit. All the techniques we'll be showing you apply to every kit you will ever work on. But if you want to build along step by step with us, you will need to buy this kit. It's relatively cheap. Our aim is to keep this as cheap as possible for everyone. The next thing you will need is some drill bits and a pin vise. Doesn't matter, cheap is fine. You can pick up a pin vise from any electronics store. It's just a small drill. As we'll be running wires through the kit for the LEDs, we just need one of these and some small drill bits just to pre-drill some holes for the wire. Speaking of wire, I will be using some enamel coated wire. Now this is 0.63mm thick. The good thing about this wire is it's got an enamel coating, so you can snake this sort of stuff through a kit and twist it together and it's not going to short out unless you burn or scratch off the enamel at the ends. The last thing you'll need is some plastic cement for filling seams, super glue potentially, maybe some putty for the really stubborn seams, but I mean for the most part this is all you will need for filling seams. So I hope this clears up what you'll need for the first episode of the 4 Horsemen build along. If you follow us on Instagram, then we're posting a bit more there about it as well. We have a hashtag to use if you're following along so we can all see your progress and share with everyone. We hope to see you at the first episode. If you have any questions, just drop a comment below, send me a message, contact one of the other 3 horsemen. We're more than happy to help you and we can't wait to see you at the next build along stream. This has been No Zaku Boy. Thanks for watching.